In many cases, we run multiple ad versions inside one winning campaign. For an e-commerce store, you might have different ad variations under a single ad set. For example, a limited time discount with an end date, regular sale products, new arrivals without any discount, or even a special event promotion. All these ads can run together inside one ad set. Now, here's the problem. If you want to turn off just one ad, for example, your discount offer after it expires, you usually have to pause it manually. Yes, you can set an end date at the ad set level, but if you do that, all ad versions inside that ad set will stop running. That's not what we want. Instead, there's a hidden advanced option that allows you to schedule an end date for a single ad only. Let me show you how to do it. First, go to the ad level in your Meta Ads Manager. Select the specific ad that you want to turn off on a future date. Click Edit. Now scroll down. Under the section called Multi-Advertiser Ads, you'll see a hidden option. This option is only available in conversion campaigns. Click on Show More Settings. Here, you'll find the option to set a start and end date for that specific ad. Simply choose the date and time when you want the ad to stop running. Once the scheduled time is reached, only that ad will turn off automatically, while the rest of your ads in the ad set will continue running. It saves you from manually monitoring and pausing ads during busy days. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical Meta Ads tutorials.